Alright everyone, so this is the tutorial for today, and I'm so sorry I do not have any pictures. I filmed this on my vlogging camera, and I always format my vlogging camera once I transfer the files, and for this I only transfer the videos and not the pictures. So this is a collaboration with Moya. Please go ahead and check out her video, you guys. She's not new to YouTube, but she's a smaller YouTube channel, and for this Christmas we're gonna try and build those smaller YouTube channels. But first, let's talk about the brows. So for the brows, I'm using Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, her brow product, and I'll be using my Juvia's Place number 13 concealer. So yeah, check out Moya's video. You guys will be linked in the description bar below. She's also on Instagram, so please check her out. So my brows, I'm drawing my brows, and I'm going to be using number 13 concealer from Juvia's Place, and this is a concealer from CoverGirl. It's a full spectrum CoverGirl all day eyebrow. It doesn't have a name, so I don't know what the name is. So for this video, my aim is to actually do a talk through, so there'll be a lot of lags, and when I'm upon editing this video, I'm realizing that my energy is a little bit low, so please bear with me, you guys. It's really tiring doing all these videos, but there's no excuse to not give it my best. So please enjoy the video, and again, check out Moya's video below, you guys. Show some support, guys. Show some support. So now here we go with the CoverGirl. Now, I was never one for the non-halo look for the brows, but I tried it, hated it, tried it, hated it, and it was my 4th time in trying it that I was like, okay. I mean, there is something to be said about this look. So as you guys know, I am pre-recording. Today is the 24th of November. So I really hope you guys have been enjoying Vlogmas with me. 31 days of makeup slayage. You may get 1 or 2 videos. You may get 2 videos per day, because I have some hair packages that were delayed, and they should have gone up in last month in October, but because of the delay I have to fit them in here. So you may get 2 videos a day. So if you say get 2 videos a day, then that's why, because those videos have to go up at a certain time, because you know them have them Black Friday sale, them have oh, Black Friday gone, sorry, you know, they have the Christmas sales and stuff. So yeah, so my brows are going to be thin today. Alright, I'm done. I'm leaving it as is. Alright, so now I'm just going to blend out. I have mega huge plans for 2020, you guys. I have this whole vision 2020 thing. I really want to do a video on it. And it's going to be a series of challenges for weight loss, skin, hair, nails. I see a bunch of challenges. So I'm hoping I record it, one, because I still don't know what to do. It's still something I'm fleshing out. And I had mention on my vlog channel that I want to do a vision board, and a couple of people were like, you know, no, don't do a vision board, don't put your stuff out there, which is I'm just like. So this is 210 Toga from Juvia's. You see how little bit. Let me use this brush. Let me pull this back. I have some new acne scarring. What date is this video? Okay, I'm filming it on the 24th, but this video is going up on the 7th, I believe, with Moya. I think it's the 7th. I think today is December 7th that this is going up, that you're watching this. But I filmed on November 24th. I filmed so many videos, so I'm going to go back and then make them public accordingly, because it's going to go all over the place with them, you know. But like, no, I'm losing track, so I'm just gonna have to go in and number them so that it makes sense. Oh my gosh, and I really want to thank everybody so far who I've been collaborating with. I collaborated with Lucky Charm, Can's Makeup, and Shelly Bombshell. So I really want to thank them for working with me. Their looks were epic. You see this brow different than this one? I mean, at this point, it is what it is. Guinea Juvia's Place foundation stick. I do have a full review on this foundation stick. I'll let you guys know how I feel about it. I did a comparison with the foundation sticks and with their original, their first foundation and their current one, which is this.
My shoes and good pretty shoes.
Yeah. Are you sure? No, you'd be their boyfriend.
Yeah, and they keep following me.
Really?
Yeah.
Follow you where?
But when I'm pretending to go to space.
So this is Katsina, and I'm using Katsina to do my low light. I love you.
Love you. You mean that they love to follow me and race?
I don't know if they love to race, but maybe they want to go to pretend space with you because you are fun to be around. Yeah.
And they love to race too.
They love to race too. Alright, so this is what we are looking like. Nice, right? Everything works so well together, it's crazy. So now to set, I'm going to be taking Black Radiance Loose Powder, and this doesn't have a name. It's just called True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. Oh my gosh. And it's like a banana color like that. So I'm going to put the same Black Radiance right on my brow bone. And then just go all over my face with it. But I'm going over it lightly, not as heavy as I did when I did my highlighted areas. Alright, so let's jump into the eyes. I'm taking my Jamrock Rebirth palette from Playing in Makeup by Yolanda. And I'm taking the color Mashup, that color right there, and that's going to be going on my brow bone. Fatty, that's that color there. And then I'm going to be taking Tough. So then I'm taking my LA Pro Primer, and guys, I went to Vivian's Beauty Supply to re-up and they were sold out, so they didn't have any. So I'm literally scraping the bottom, so I have to use a brush to apply because it finished basically. Bits of butter, it's like a light pink. Butter for true, like real butter. Like, this is not play but it's a real but Peter this on the eye. So I'm taking Boss Chick and I'm putting it all over my primer. I don't know if I had pressed record, but my primer is LA Pro primer, the black one. And I was saying about the NYX pencils, how they were bomb, and how Max Paint Pots, sorry, started the whole cream base craze. So yeah, I know I'm in love with this color with what I just said a while ago from LA Girl, their pro primer in black. So they have it in black, nude, and white. Alright, and then I'm just going to go in again with Love. And then after that, I'm going to be taking Party. Ooh, Love and Party are beautiful together. What? Party is such a nice green. Man, what you know, Yolanda? I could have a nice orange. But it's a nice green. Yolanda, you're sneaking, you're comuging. Yolanda, it's so comuging, Yolanda. Okay, so let me go in back in with LA Pro Primer. And I have to be dipping because I'm all out. Alright, and then for my area here, I think I want to go in with let's go into Sell Off. Make me use Sell Off. Right there, so just to sit and also to add some color. And then I am going in with Spice. So I'm going to go in again with Party. This is what my lash is. It's Lash. No lash. So I have my lashes on. I wanted to put on something full. Nice and full. So for my lips, I'm taking CHUPS collection from Yardi Cosmetics, and this is in the color SARRIL. And for my glow, I think I want to, I don't have anything in here that's glowy. Let's try there. And then for my blush, I am going to go with Fatty. So Fatty is that color. So this is the finished look. I'm going to come back with my wig and everything. So BRB, but first I have to be Jonathan. So BRB. So this is the finished look. This wig is from, I think, Divas something. I did it years ago. I'll find the video and link it below. But it's a synthetic wig, and this is the overall look. It looks so good, but my white hair is like washy. It's like making everything look dark. But this is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And it's kind of Christmassy too. So this is it. Moya, thank you so much for collaborating with me. It means so much to me, guys. Thank you for watching. We're on our way, you guys. We're on our way. I'm so grateful for Vlogmas. And hey, stay tuned to the other videos. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.